Hello friends, welcome to the Weller channel. Today I'll show you how to add a hyperlink in Microsoft PowerPoint. For this, I've written some text here, then we select it, right-click and look for the option. Here we have the link. I click it and here you can attach a link to a file or attach a website. For example, I want clicking on my text to redirect the person to YouTube. I add the address here, yes, youtube.com, and click OK. There. Now I've corrected it, it must have the HTTPS protocol. Here, https:// before any website. Click OK. And now when you click on this link, yes, YouTube will open. That's all for this one. This was Weller. Like and subscribe to the channel. Goodbye, everyone.